The today topic is lemmatization. Sometimes the stemming process leads to incorrect results. For example, in the last exercise, the word battling was transformed into battle, which is not a word because E is missing. To overcome such problem with stemming, we make use of lemmatization. Lemmatization is the process of converting words to their base grammatical form as battling to better rather than just randomly Xing words. In this process, an additional check is made by looking through a dictionary to extract the base form of a word. Getting more accurate results, we require some additional information. For example, part of speech tags along with words will help in get will help in getting better results. Now we will do an exercise extracting the base word using lemmatization. In this exercise, we will use the lemmatization process to produce the proper form of a given word. First of all, we import the First of all, we import the required library. For example, we import download function from NLTK library, WordNet, and this is our dictionary and some extra information which which we are needed which we will be needed to convert our word into its base form through lemmatization, and then we insert the class WordNet lematizer from these packages. Okay, run this now. Okay, these packages are added or imported successfully. Create an object of WordNet lematizer class. This is object variable and this is class, and run the cell to create an object lematizer of class WordNet lematizer. In the next step, bring the word to its proper form. Bring the word to its proper form by using the lemmatized method of the WordNet lematizer class. Define a user-defined function get underscore lemma and pass a word as a parameter. Return lemmatizer object dot call method lemmatize and give our parameter to the lemmatized method. Okay, and then call the get underscore lemma function and pass a word products to convert its base form and the cell and see the results. Products converted into product, which is its basic form or base form. Similarly, use the input as production. Now call the get underscore lemma function and pass the production word to convert into its base form. Similarly, also get underscore lemma coming at this time. Our algorithm or lemmatization process is not successfully convert the word coming into its base form. So, thank you very much. See you in the next lecture.